Breaking news, maraming magsasaka patay dulot ng malaking aksidente.
Hindi man, takot ako baka tayo na susunod.
Have you heard of the news?
The one with the deaths of farmers? Yes, I have.
It's so tragic. Imagine what their family is experiencing right now.
May, my dad died.
I'm scared, maybe I will be the next target.
Isa namang magsasaka, patay. 20 taong gulang na lalaki ay natagpuan sa gilid ng kalsada pagkatapos sa biglaang sakuna na nangyari kagabi.